let's continue to our next video. Let's go deep in town, deep inside these market trends, how these market trends are really happening. We'll start with this uptrend. I'm going to mostly teach you about the uptrend and downtrend because I'm advising you all not to trade the consolidating market. When the market is just consolidating or it's just ranging, don't trade. Leave alone the trade. Wait it for a breakthrough. If it breaks, then you can come and trade it. So here we are going to go into details about our trends. So we'll start with the uptrend. Uptrend. How do we confirm an uptrend? So our uptrend will be like this. The market will open here and it will move like this. It will come back, make a retracement. It will come back, make a retracement, go back, make a retracement, go back, comes and breaks here like this. It goes back, you see, then comes down. Sorry, let me repeat the process. Let me repeat it such that I don't want to leave you behind. It will go like this. It comes back, it makes a retracement, it goes up, comes, makes a retracement, breaks up, makes a retracement, comes up, then comes down like this, you see, like that. Then it goes back, it will come like this, goes back, then it comes back like this. Hope you understand. You understand here. Now the market will be moving like this. That is uptrend and downtrend. So this side, it will be the uptrend side, and this side will be the downtrend side. The downtrend. This will be the downtrend. Okay? This side will be the downtrend. Now we are going to mark our trend. You know, this trend markets is these market trends are very useful, my friends. Are very useful. So let's just draw these market trends and I name it for you, and I show you how do you realize that this one is a valid. This one is a valid one or it's an invalid one. Okay, so here we'll come and break that line, and then again we break this line. When you see this, then you here will again come down here and break this line. We'll break that line, then we come down here, break this line, again we come and break this line. Hope you're understanding me. Let me hope you're all understanding me. You're understanding me now. Here we add our low. So When the market comes and break this high, when we form our low here and form our high here, then market retraces back and forms this low, you see that one I'm dotting, that low, and then comes back again, and break our respected high here and forms another high here on the top here. That means the market is in an uptrend. Then again it will come and form another low here. When it forms that low, it will not break this previous low. You get? It will not break this previous low. It will be higher. This previous low. Let me remove those things might confuse you. This previous low will be lower than this new low, and the next low will be higher than this previous low. You get? That is forming an uptrend. So we'll be calling these, we have names that we call here. This place, when they break that our protected high, it's called a break of structure. It's a break of structure. Let me hope you're getting me. This one is a break of structure, and in a bracket it's called BOS. I'm going to use that BOS word because we have a very small space to write in. You get? That one is called a break of structure. Break of structure. So we have a word called break of structure. So here it will be our boss. We call it boss. So here it will be a boss, a BOS. Let me hope you're getting me. Yeah, it will be a BOS, a BOS. Then the next one here, it will also be a BOS. Here it will also be a BOS. Here it's also a BOS. Let me reduce the size. Then up here it will also form another BOS. We hope we are on the same page. It will form another BOS there. And now you see it went down. Now it went down. It started forming down like this. You get? It formed down. It made a move down, then came back. Where the move made a move. You see? Now here it has broken structure, but there is this line still here. It has broken the previous low. When it breaks that previous low, market shows that it has changed the character. Now it's most likely going to go down. It's not, if it closes here with a candle body, just know that one is a valid change of character. So here it will be called a change of character. Here this is called change of character. Change of structure. Or call it change of character. It's a change of character. You get? Let me hope you're getting me. Let me even change the word's color. It's change of character in bracket. It's called the church. We mostly call it like that. We name it like this sometimes. Church or cos. C-O-S. You get me? So let's sorry, I want to change color of those words such as that everyone can see. That one is not a good color. That one is still not good enough. Let's use that red color. That shows that one is a change of character. Here, let me hope you're getting me. It is change of character. It is change of character. Here. You get there. It's a change of character. So we'll continue here. We will have a BOS here. BOS. Here we'll have a B. We'll have our BOS. Our BOS here. And then our BOS here. I told you I don't want to make long videos, but make sure that you watch these videos to the end. I'm making for you short videos such that you can watch them to the end. I don't want you to keep skipping. Don't keep skipping these videos. You get me? Watch every video to the end, because every video contains data from the start to the end. Subscribe to Francis Crypto Academy, please. This is a humble request. Subscribe such that you don't miss any information that I drop here. I'm going to teach you, and I will show you what other people cannot show you. I will show you all the tricks in crypto trading and forex trading. Even those that like forex trading, you're okay with this analysis. This analysis works on both sides. Though me, I specifically trade cryptocurrencies because it has a lot of money. It's where we make a lot of money. So I will basically be one-sided to crypto trading. So those who want forex, you can apply the knowledge too, because this knowledge works both sides. So this point is always called the church or the cos, COS. That one is the change of character. Don't forget that point. And if the market is flipped, you just flip the market. If you flip the market, just know that nothing will change most. So let me flip it for you. Here. Let me make it for you here in a shortcut. Assume the market has been moving from an uptrend. Assume it's been moving from an uptrend like this. It's been moving down, and it's been on a downtrend, coming like this, then it reaches here, it comes and breaks this, then it comes back, it retests, goes. Hope you're getting me. Then it goes up. Here our change of character will be here. You get it. Might be showing a small move, but my friend, that's not a small move. Respect the move as long as the candle body crosses above. What do I mean with candle body crossing above? If a candle opens here in this place and it forms like this and comes and close up here with a body, that's what I mean. If this candle closes this previous high with a body, but if a market just moves like this, if a market moves like this and comes down like this and it forms a wick here, if it breaks here by a wick like this, assume it's crossing up with a wick like this, that one is not a change of character. That one is not a change of character. Wait for another candle. If another candle comes and also forms like this and it does not take out, does not break that that previous high, and it also leaves a wick, still wait for another candle. You get? Still wait for another candle. If no candle breaks above that, you will now see some candle patterns here. You have to see now some candle patterns here. The patterns that will be forming in this direction, this place. If it shows those patterns are showing a bearish continuous reversal or a bearish continuous pattern, you will then enter for a sell. You sell more, you'll be selling more. But if one of these candles breaks above like this, if these candles, one breaks above, if one candle here breaks above like this, just know we are going into the buyer's direction. We are moving to the bullish positions. Okay, let me stop here this video. I don't want to make for you very long videos. Let's meet in another video. I will explain you more and more, but make sure you watch these market trend movie videos like 5 times if you can, or two times. Watch again, make sure you understand everything in these trendier videos, because these trend videos I've made for you 3 of them, such that you can take little time on a video, but take little time on that video, but understand it. Watch it repeatedly such that you get the best from that video. Thank you.